Hello kids, how are you? Today we will try to learn a small capital letter as a small A, a small B, a small C, a small D, a small E. Get a start and like subscribe my YouTube channel. Red color, a small A. Green color, a small B. Next, sky blue color, a small C. Pink color, a small D. A small E. A small F. A small G. Next kids, a small H, a small I, a small J, a small K, a small L, a small M. Next kids, a small N, a small O, a small P, a small Q, a small R, a small S. Next, a small T, a small U, a small V, a small W, a small X, a small Y, and last kids, a small Z. Learn a small capital letter. Like subscribe my YouTube channel. A for ant, a small B, B for butter, a small C, C for cut, a small D, D for dog, a small E, E for egg, a small F, F for fly, a small G, G for gun, a small H, H for home, a small I for ice cream, a small J, J for jug, a small K, K for king, a small L, L for lion, a small M, M for monkey, a small N, N for near, a small O, O for ox, a small P, P for peanut, a small Q, Q for queen, a small R, R for rat, a small S, S for sun, a small T, T for tiger, a small U, U for umbrella, a small V, V for van, a small W, W for watermelon, a small X, X for extra, a small Y, Y for yak, and last a small Z, Z for zebra. Like subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you kids.